In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up on Steam fast. If you want a higher Steam level for more friend slots, profile showcases, and a more polished profile, the quickest legit way is by using trading cards to craft badges. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what to look out for, and share a few tips to save time and wallet funds. Start by opening your Steam inventory and switching the filter to trading cards. This view shows every card you own and how close you are to completing each set. Each set belongs to a specific game and requires one of each unique card from that game. Duplicates don't help with crafting, so focus on collecting one of every design. If you see a set that's nearly complete, make a note of which cards you're missing so you can target those first. Next, head to the Steam market to buy cheap card sets. Use the search bar with the game title and the phrase trading card, then sort by lowest price. You'll usually find normal cards are far cheaper than foils, and you only need the normal set to craft the standard badge. Check that you're buying the exact cards you're missing and be mindful that market prices include fees. If a single card in a set is overpriced, you can pivot to a different game set where every card is cheap. The goal is to get the most XP per wallet dollar. Make sure your account is market ready and that you have wallet funds available to avoid checkout delays. Once a set is complete, go to your badges page. You'll see a ready to craft section for any full set you've assembled. Click Craft Badge to convert that set into Profile XP instantly. Each craft awards XP toward your next Steam level, and you'll also receive items like an emoticon and a background in your inventory. This happens the moment you click Craft, so you can watch your level rise as you go. Remember, you can craft the same game's badge multiple times by completing that set again, up to the badge's limit, which is typically level 5 for standard badges. Finally, repeat this process many times for bulk crafting. Line up several completed sets in your badges page and craft them back to back for the fastest results. As you climb, it takes more XP per level, so batching crafts is efficient. Stick to the cheapest sets you can find. Avoid foils unless you want them specifically, and keep an eye on market fluctuations during big sales when prices often dip. Follow this loop, check your cards, buy what's missing cheaply, craft and repeat, and you'll level up on Steam fast and consistently.